Ka Jingialeh banyo ya ka jing itu lani ka Geological Indication Tag na kabenta Ksai Ryndia jong gajela Meghalaya kadang ya chat layatu u Commissioner and Secretary jong ka tanat textiles iba Frederick Kharkongor habak ren bat kilat pathai kubor iba Kharkongor ilaong ba ka Meghalaya Ryndia Producers Association kala dep ban a ya baro kikot don kam ban penshisha ya ka jingkam ya Ksai Ryndia. Ksai Ryndia udon ya ka benta ka Bakarpang Haribhoi District ka badon ya ka Eri Silk Center ka Bakongsan da ka Jingiaso Kishnong ka Umden D1 cluster ban tau ya ka jela penmi ya Ksai Eri Silk ha ka jela. Harengkat bat ka Northeast Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation ka tanat kalapelait ya ka QR coding na ka benta Ksai Ryndia.
In the past few years, they were just weaving just as a pastime. But then now you see the value of of Ryndia being promoted, and the name is spread far and wide, even across the national borders, and even at the level of Prime Minister and dignitaries, they are appreciating our Ryndia, and even you can see the the subtle change even in the dressing of our women in KHASI Hills. Now they're switching on towards Ryndia. Before it was dharas and jensens, but now wearing Ryndia is something which is an article of of aspiration, because it's something of their own. It's a uniquely made Meghalaya product.